guys, welcome to my channel, and I hope you're keeping very well. You're washing your hands, sanitizing, staying at home, working from home, keeping safe distance, and everything else to keep yourself and your loved ones very safe. So as always in this channel, I'll be showing you some of the things that I'm doing during this quarantine period, learning new skills, especially in the kitchen, dancing skills, singing skills, and basically just trying to see what I can do to keep myself busy, entertained, and active. Yeah. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make samosas. I have made samosas before, but it's been a while. I think it's over 10 years ago. So today I'm going to be doing the same thing, and I hope you enjoy it. Samosas are a good snack for breakfast, for saa nne, chai ya saa nne, and also for chai ya saa kumi. So welcome, join me in the kitchen. So I've put minced meat in a sufuria, and I'm going to be letting it cook for a while. I'm going to be adding a little bit of water just so that it doesn't stick on the pan, and let it cook for at least a few minutes. So you make sure you cook the minced meat until the water dries. Remember to add some salt as well. So guys, I have chopped my onions. This is the white onion, and I've used about 3 of them. So I prefer the white onion because also it's the best when it comes to making salad, and also it's not very bitter. So I made 3 of them, middle-sized white onions, or rather salad onions. Then this is green capsicum. I used just a quarter, and then I also chopped garlic over there. And then the spices that I'm going to be using to, of course, use on my meat. This is cloves powder. This is oregano. That's chili. That's ginger powder, and of course garlic powder. Like I said, garlic powder is garlic is always my secret ingredient, so I always use it. So as you can see, I've used the powder, and I also chopped a bit of it. So this is what I'm going to be adding onto my meat. My meat looks ready. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to add the onions into the minced meat. So you're going to mix the onions with the minced meat and let it cook until the onion is completely ready and they gel well. So I'm going to put my flour, baking flour, just a bit. Make sure it's the amount that you want to, the amount of samosas you want to make. So this is the amount I'm putting. So this is my flour. So I'm going to be making the dough. So I've poured in a bit of warm water to start making my paste. So I'm going to be adding a little bit of flour as I also add in water until I make the amount of dough that I need. So at this point, I'm going to add a little bit of cooking oil, and I'll just use one that's here. So just a bit of oil, on my dough to make it smooth. So I think my dough is ready. So I'm going to cover it. I'm going to put it here and cover it for a few minutes before coming to roll it. So I have put some oil on this one, and then on this one, my other piece of dough, and then this one I'm not going to apply anything. I'll just put it on top of this one, that way. So I'm going to roll this so that it's the size of the pan. Make sure you do it gently. The oil is normally put so that the two can be separated later on. So you let it get hot before starting to separate the pieces. So you start to separate this. After having your pieces ready, so you wait for them to cool down. So what you do is that you cut it into 4 pieces. Yeah. Like this and like this. And do the same for all the others. There are your pieces that you're going to make into the samosas. So I'm going to make a paste using baking flour. So this is my baking flour. I'm going to add a little bit of water to make a paste that will be used to bind the pieces of these pieces, rather, to make the pockets for the samosas. So you make sure that the paste is thick nicely so that it's able to hold onto the meat that you're going to put inside the pockets. So right now what I want to do is make the pockets. What I'll do is that I'll do this, fold on that one side. So my piece looks like this. Okay, so I'm going to fold it on the one side, and then I apply the paste enough to make it bind, and then I close, and then it will look like this. So I'll do that to all of them. What I'm going to do now is put some meat inside these pockets. Then I'm going to seal using the paste that I used to make the pockets. Yeah, so you put the amount of meat that you want. Remember, you can make samosas using meat or even dengu or even potatoes. Yeah, whatever makes you happy. So I'll be putting a little in every pocket. So here I put like 2 spoons, and then I fold this part that way, and then I pick my paste, which I'm going to apply here. Apply like that, and then seal. So there we go. There's the one samosa. I'm going to put it somewhere there. So we do the same to all the other samosas. About two spoons. Tuck that part in, then apply the paste here. Make sure that you've sealed all these holes, and then you make your pocket. Looks like this. The next step is to heat your oil. So our oil is very hot, so I'm going to be putting in the samosas. So you cook until it turns golden brown. Then you get out your samosas looking nice brown, looking yum yum. I'm going to be putting them here. So you put them on a dry napkin, serviette, or whatever you like. So guys, it's been real. I've just finished making the samosas, and I've served them with some lemons, yeah, and coffee. I like black coffee. I like it black. And this is how my samosas look like. I've already started munching on them, and you guy, my guy. It's good. It's very nice. So thank you so much for joining me in my channel as I made this. And until next time, it's been real. Remember to subscribe and also hit the like button if you like this video and if you learned something. So bye bye, take care, cheers.